What is going on, Team XK? Coming back to you with another total cryptocurrency market cap update. We do have the daily candlestick closing in just over 2 minutes here. So we're going to watch this daily candlestick close. What I really wanted to see is a close above this 4-hour resistance, which it is looking like we're going to get that. It would have been lovely to also get a daily close above this daily resistance, but we didn't just quite get there today, but that's okay. On the daily time frame, it is showing that we actually tested that. For some reason, the daily is just a little bit different. And when we actually come down to these smaller time frames, you can see here that we actually have not truly tested that daily resistance. So we're going to see what happens when the new daily candlestick shows up. Most of the time when the new daily candlestick does show for cryptos, we do see a little bit of a sell-off, creating a daily wick before we do see an additional push up higher. I remain with my analysis that the 20-minute 200 MA, also around this 4-hour, 12-hour support here, is what we really need to be watching to indicate this bullish trend is going to continue to the upside, right? Not everything just goes up in a straight line or down in a straight line. We have, stair-step formation essentially. So what I would be looking for is if this begins to sell off here, that we find support in here, right? If we don't find support in here, then this could have been a fake out, and we would probably be creating some newer lows if the weekly support, right? So if we break here, we'll be coming back down probably to weekly support. Weekly support broke, then we would be going to create some new lows. So hopefully this all makes sense, right? So we're literally looking, if this bullish trend is going to continue, we should see the 4-hour support here at 2.114 trillion hold. And then we'll see a continuation to the upside. Going to a smaller time frame, even smaller, is one that I've been bringing up here, is the 3-minute, right? 3-minute 200 MA acts as a nice level of dynamic support here, right, on that shorter time frame. So this is a good indication that we are indeed going to be continuing to the upside here, right? We've been staying above this 3-minute 200 MA for a decent amount of time. And that is still indicating that we have higher highs to come here. So nice close above the 4-hour resistance. We're about to get the new daily candlestick. Should be any second now. Well, there it is. New daily candle. Right, has opened up. So good signs, right? What is in store if we break this daily resistance? Well, we're just going to pull out the fib RSI indicator here, right? We break this daily resistance, we don't have too much more resistance. The next daily resistance that we're seeing is all the way back up to new all-time highs. So if we get a solid candlestick, daily candlestick close above 2.236 trillion, so in the next 24 hours, if this candlestick closes above that, I would be anticipating over the next week or so, we'll be coming back up to those new all-time highs. Now, if we reject off of this daily, right, then we're going to be coming back down, testing this daily support over here, which has acted as that really strong level of support. Could be testing that 20-minute 200 MA. Also, same area as the 4-hour 260 MA. So overall, looking fairly well, right? We were testing that 4-hour resistance. We have broken slightly above that, right? So I would be anticipating that move to continue to be bullish here. And then just keep your eyes on, the shorter time frames. Something that I have noticed on the 3-minute time frame, right, is when we do pull up that indicator, we haven't seen, right, we've seen some dips below the 3-minute 200 MA, but we have not seen a dip below this blue line, right? So this blue line comes all the way through here, and that is right around where that 3-minute 200 MA is. So if we start getting underneath this 4-hour resistance, which may now act as a level of support, if we maybe consolidate right here, and then that could be acting as a new 4-hour support, and we could be pushing up higher here. So overall, I remain bullish. I still believe it's looking like, let's actually look. I haven't looked at 12-hour. Oh, yeah. Look at this 12-hour close, people. Strong 12-hour close above the 4-hour resistance here. I remain bullish longer term. Short term, we may get some type of pullback, but I don't see that lasting. Bullish. Bullish. Let's look at the weekly. Right? Remember that weekly support held? Right? Daily support held. Came back down. We tested weekly, and now we're looking bullish here. And again, that monthly time frame, I still believe is going to close bullish. So we are technically bullish. So we'll just have to. It's just going to be a matter of time. How bullish is this going to close out? Hopefully this little update was insightful. There's not a whole lot to really go over. I'll keep an eye on it throughout the rest of the day and keep you all updated if there's any major moves. But still in all my crypto long positions, everything's still a go. And until something really changes on the charts, then I'm going to remain long on my crypto positions. As always, may the trades be with you all.